In Google Docs, you can now do super fast formatting using the @ menu. The @ menu allows you to link to people. You can even create an event straight from within the Google Doc. You can put in images, drop-down lists, numbered lists, bulleted lists. Let me show you. I'll click the @ menu, and then I've got options for people that I might want to invite to collaborate. If I want, I can put in a checklist, a bulleted list here. I like this one, checklist. I'm a big fan of checklists. I can even include files. So this is a link to a file, say a Google Sheet that I own. And so that will click straight into that file. Really easy. Of course, you can invite other people, and if you want, you can share the document with them so that they can edit as well instead of just looking at the document. Now, if you want to add a calendar event, look how easy that is. So I've got my document here called Super Fast Formatting with Google Docs. And so to create a calendar event, let's say I want to make it for tomorrow, I can put in a date like today or tomorrow or a particular date. Actually, let me click it and I'll change that date. And I simply go book meeting, and this opens a meeting in Google Calendar with the title of the document ready for the meeting. Of course, I can invite guests, I can create meeting notes, and do all of the usual things that you do when you book a meeting. Now, if you want to find out more about the @ menus in Google Docs, you can just hit help here and go to updates, and you'll see it here, October 2021, or click the link in the description to this video and you'll have more detail about how to use those @ menus. Have a play with them.